700,000 Ukrainians may die from the coronavirus disease until the collective immunity appears. This data was provided by the Profile Committee of the Ukrainian Parliament. Therefore, there is no alternative to vaccination. Almost a third part of Ukrainians can get vaccinated for free.
Скільки ми зможемо максимально провакцинувати?
Within the available budget, it's possible to vaccinate 11.5 million people. In case Ukraine effectively purchases $4 vaccines, with addition of the COVAX initiative, we'd be able to vaccinate nearly 15.5 million people at the government and donors' expense.
National budget draft for the next year allocates $500 million for vaccination against COVID-19. The sum covers purchasing of the drug, as well as logistics and training of staff. The vaccine is not a guarantee against infection. However, the disease could pass milder. Those who get vaccinated are unlikely to have any complications or face serious course of the disease. It could happen in the forms of asymptomatic infection or a mild illness. Ukraine will procure the vaccine proven to be effective, Ministry of Health states. In turn, the self-proclaimed leader of the so-called DPR announced that they are going to use the Russian vaccine Sputnik V, but experts warn it has passed only 2 stages of clinical tests. I'm convinced, and any specialist would agree, this vaccine cannot be considered as a mean for prevention of coronavirus infection, since the third phase of clinical trials is the one where up to 50% of drugs fail to get approval for further clinical use. The Verkhovna Rada of Ukraine approved a law allowing registration of the COVID-19 vaccine under a fast-track procedure within 5 days. However, the one must be validated by the WHO and be approved by the countries with strict regulatory policies. Russia is not one of them. Reported by Nick Starkov, Inessa Zanina, Serhiy Savitsky, UATV News.